Hi Lancers, so you might have seen me around the building this morning, but I am on a field trip. And so I wanted to just get you started for today because this is your final workday to complete your Ancient Americas project. So remember that directions for the project are in Google Classroom. Everybody should be done with their research by now, and you should have started already or be starting today your actual project. The project is due before we go on spring break, so due by tomorrow. So this is your last work day in class. So you want to be really focused and do your best to get this done so you're not having to work on it as homework. So in our Google Classroom, right here under Ancient America Project Directions, remember if you click on that document, it'll take you here. If you're done with your research, which you should be if you haven't yet, you then go watch video number 1 and video number 2. And that will give you some guidance on what needs to go into your project. If you decide to do the ThingLink, watch this short video first where I give directions on how to use ThingLink. And then you're going to spend the rest of the class period working on your project. So once you're done with your project, you can go back to Google Classroom. And just as a reminder, this assignment right here, Ancient Americas Project, it's under classwork as well. This is where you turn your project in. You just attach your Google slideshow or your drawing to this assignment and hit the turn in button. If you did a ThingLink, I think you can attach a link. If not, open up a Google Doc, paste the link in for your ThingLink into the document, attach that document to this assignment here. If you did your project on paper, you can turn it into our guest teacher and then come and hit the turn in button. Feel free to email me or let me know if you have difficulty attaching your assignment to Google Classroom. That is definitely something I can help you with. I won't put in missing assignments until I have a chance to touch base with people about this. Okay? So work on your project. Remember, the requirements are information and pictures that help inform people about your topic, the topic you researched. That's it. As long as you do that in your project, then you should be good to go. All right, so good luck and work hard. And if you finish early, feel free to work on other work, or you can go to any of these resource pages if you want, and you can watch any of the movies that we didn't get to finish in class or watch some of the new movies. There's movie links at the top of each page, so you could continue watching any movies there, or you could also have a little bit of free time on your computer. Just whatever you do, please do it quietly so that the people who are still working could have a good environment for working. I hope you have a good spring break, or I'll see you tomorrow or after the break.